All right, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something kind of huge. Generative AI. And no, not the robot uprising kind.
Right, definitely not. We're talking about how this tech, which seems like it's almost everywhere now, can actually practically help startups, grow and thrive.
Totally. I think there's this fear, right? Like, oh no, the robots are coming for our jobs. But today, let's flip the script. Let's talk about AI as that secret weapon for startups.
Totally agree. I think it's all about shifting the perspective. Instead of thinking replacement, think, how can AI help my team be more efficient, more powerful? It's about working smarter, not harder.
I love that. So where do we even begin? How can startups use this tech, like on a daily basis? Let's get specific.
Okay, so picture this. You're running an online shop, right? Maybe you're selling, I don't know, awesome skate apparel.
Love it.
You're drowning in customer questions, shipping inquiries, returns, the works. It's overwhelming, right?
Ugh, tell me about it. Been there.
Generative AI can be your lifesaver here. Think super smart chatbots, but better. Instead of those clunky pre-programmed responses, AI can actually analyze all those past customer interactions.
Okay, so it learns from the chaos.
Exactly. It figures out the most common questions, the biggest pain points, and then, boom, generates these really comprehensive, helpful answers.
So instead of spending hours answering the same questions, I can what? Just unleash this AI on my inbox.
Pretty much. There are even tools out there like AnswerBot that basically automate this whole process.
That's a game changer for sure. Okay, but what about marketing? It feels like there's a new strategy popping up every 5 minutes. Can AI keep up?
Oh, absolutely. And it's not just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead. Generative AI can actually analyze your entire marketing strategy, past campaigns, even what your competitors are doing.
Wait, hold up. It can spy on my competitors.
Well, not spy exactly, but it can analyze their online presence, their marketing campaigns, their pricing, even customer reviews. It gives you this, like, 360-degree view of the playing field.
Okay, that's seriously cool and a little bit Big Brother, but hey, all's fair in love and startups.
Right, right. And think about it, with all that data, the AI can then help you pinpoint opportunities, maybe gaps in the market, areas where your competitors are falling short.
It's like having an AI business coach in your corner, whispering winning strategies in your ear.
Exactly. It takes all the guesswork out of it, lets you make really smart, data-driven decisions about where to focus your energy and your budget.
That is invaluable, especially for startups who are, working with limited resources.
Absolutely. Now, on that note, you can't forget about the people you've already won over, your customers.
So true. Keeping them happy is everything.
Exactly. And customer feedback, it's gold. But it's also like everywhere, right? Reviews, surveys, social media, you name it.
Oh, I know it. It's overwhelming.
And that's where, again, AI can help. Generative AI can sift through all that feedback, all those comments, and pull out the key insights.
So instead of just reacting to one-off complaints, you can spot trends and fix problems before they become, like, major PR nightmares.
Exactly. It's about being proactive, not reactive. If your AI tells you people are consistently frustrated with, say, your checkout process, you can address that, make it smoother, make it faster.
Happy customers, happy bottom line. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk talent, because building the right team is crucial. But man, hiring can be a beast.
It can be a full-time job in itself,
Yeah.
which is why you can, you guessed it, use AI to streamline the process.
Okay, I'm all ears. Tell me more.
So imagine this. Instead of spending hours scrolling through resumes, you can use AI-powered recruiting platforms that basically do the heavy lifting for you.
So it's like, I plug in the job description, and boom, the AI finds me the perfect candidate.
Pretty much. These platforms use really sophisticated algorithms to match candidate skills, experience, even their online presence, to the specific requirements of the role and your company culture.
Okay, that's amazing, but let's be real. This all sounds super high-tech and probably expensive.
That's the thing, it's not.
Yeah.
And that's what's so exciting. There are tons of user-friendly, affordable AI tools out there designed specifically for startups. You don't need a massive budget or a team of engineers to implement this stuff.
I love that. It's like democratizing the future, you know?
Exactly. Generative AI is leveling the playing field, giving startups the same powerful tools that were once only available to big corporations.
And that's really what it's all about. So as we wrap up, I want to leave everyone with this thought. If generative AI can personalize our online shopping and find us a great new pair of shoes, what else can it do for your startup? The possibilities really are endless.